beautiful people. Hello to my 6 subscribers. This is my 11th YouTube video. Yes, and I do have a cool shipment that I'm gonna share with you guys. Sorry, I'm trying to park my car. I picked up coffee from Blanchard's coffee shop. Shout out to you guys, Richmond, Virginia. I went to the dentist earlier. That was super awkward. I might share that with you guys later. And we went to the grocery store. So let's go inside and get my day started. Well, technically I've already started my day, but get my work day started, get dinner started. Yeah. The older I get, the harder it becomes to maintain relationships, setting those boundaries. Work becomes more complicated as you try to progress within a company. A lot of mental battles I'm having to deal with as I navigate my 20s, my 20-somethings. So yeah, I'm trying to work and prepare dinner at the same time. I picked up these vegan buffalo wings. We're gonna attempt the recipe and see where things go. All right, so I purchased these shoes from Zara. They're supposed to be animal cruelty free. I needed a new dress shoe for funerals, weddings, etc., etc. And back to like my conversation before, it's just like my career lies within the financial world, and it's just hard when you're trying to keep up on world events, politics. It becomes a lot, but that's the life I live. Now I'm a YouTube creator, content creator. I'm a YouTuber. I'm really excited about these shoes. You would think more companies would make animal cruelty-free shoes. Maybe that's something I need to look into and, perhaps start my own little line. All right, so number one, I don't like the fact that there's no box to keep my shoes when I'm not wearing them, but I guess you have to pick and choose. It probably has to do also with like keeping costs down, so it is what it is, whatever. At least you get a cloth bag. These are actually really nice. Thumbnail. Also very comfortable. This is the product information. So I got a size 11. So I've been buying my shoes like really small lately. The website is actually pretty cool. So they have preparations, but they don't have like a full-on detailed recipe. But it's really cool. Like you can select which music, or you can listen to like their musical playlist if you're a Spotify subscriber. I actually just went to SoundCloud and typed in the music, added it to my playlist. So there's that. All right, so it's starting out very well. I added some butter with seasoning, and I'm just gonna flip these guys really quickly. With our corn, we diced them up and I put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna finish it off on the grill. We're trying to get it as close to this picture as possible, so fingers crossed. All right, so this is the end result. They're actually really good. This is like my third time, so by my fourth time, I'm gonna perfect this recipe. And then we have the corn, which was pretty good. All right, it is, got my toast basers on. It's 11:20-ish. I got off work a little while ago, and I think I'm gonna get an early start in spring clean. So we're gonna take my coats, throw them in my garment bags. I have these bags from Target. So I have a few of these, and we're gonna throw my heavier coats and store them away for summer. The shoes that I brought from Zara, I'm actually just gonna stuff them in a shoebox that I'm currently not using. And we're just gonna throw these in there like such. I'm almost finished sorting everything. I pretty much bagged up all of my coats. I have to put these two coats in a garment bag. All right, so I finished sorting out everything. All right, so got my robe. Everything's in the garment bag or compressed in my, it's 4 a.m. I can't think or speak at this point. Some spring, summer tees, winter, spring kind of jackets. Spring cleaning, we're done. Finally, I'm gonna shower. Diesel gas is $5. Like, I remember when my parents did back in the early 2000s, but I don't know how much longer I'll be able to put up with this. Like, you have to keep in mind, like, I'm a single guy. Like, I'm not rich by any means. It's like, these are real regular people out here trying to make it. Whatever, I'm over it. We're going to Blanchard's coffee shop. While I'm making oatmeal, I'm gonna tell you guys about my trip to my new dentistry, and we'll close everything out for this vlog. If you're from Virginia, you guys don't want to see. Let's see. If you're from Virginia, you're very familiar with Virginia Family Dentistry. I wanted to leave them. They're kind of like the McDonald's of dentistry, right? Everyone goes to them. So I did some research online, right? There's a few dentistries in the area. They have 5 stars and they have so many reviews. I can't do this and talk to you guys at the same time. I went yesterday, I went Monday, had an incredible experience, right? Anyways, they sit me down and they have to take my x-rays again. The girl, she's taking my x-rays, and they really pry into your social life. She's like, oh, where'd you grow up? You know, where do you work? What'd you eat for breakfast? How many kids do you have? What's your 401k look like? It's just like, relax. Anyways, I told her what high school I went to. She's like, oh, the girl that's gonna clean your teeth, she went to Patrick Henry too. So I'm like, oh my God. So she graduated in 2011. I graduated in 2012. Throw the oats, throw your chia seeds, fill it up with water. These are quick oats, by the way. Put it in the microwave for a minute. Add some blackberries, blueberries. My mistake. Oh no. Add some granola. And I know I have a cutting board, but whatever. And the finishing touch. What are these? Pumpkin seeds. Chicken mix. Alright guys, that's the end of this vlog. If you're still watching this, wow. I love you, you love me. Thank you to my 7 subscribers. And yeah, I have work, so there's that.